Part 2 for, what is it, jeez, I'm running blank today. Dash along. So, for the lunch, I went to the Indian place, turns out to be there only, having buffet on Saturday and Sunday, so, I went to Panda Express, had my lunch, breakfast, lunch, slash dinner. After that, I picked up Wendy's at 1:57, so 2 o'clock. Was 425, 1.4 miles. It's been fairly smooth on that one. Then I picked up a Chick-fil-A, 775. There's no hidden, I don't think there was a hidden tip on it. I wasn't suspecting any. Completed that one. Then I got the Dairy Queen for $9. Completed it as well. And then I picked up this Myers. I don't do shop orders unless they're easy. They're in CVS or something, or like in this case, Myers, one item. Why not? So now I'm in the process of getting that delivered. So before this one, we were at $21. Since we started back at 1 or at 2, I'm way behind. I have a headache. I usually try to fall asleep by 10 o'clock in the evening, but with Sunday's lives, I stay up to the end. I respect the guy, guys. There's one thing I can tell you. Out of all the fug and smug that's on YouTube, I see Pedro intelligent, smart, a businessman, a successful guy, and honestly, I believe if he got a hold of something big, he would make it work. So, to that respect, also appreciation to, putting us in the right track when it comes down to dashing. I listen to the guy. I don't skip any of his videos. I watch all of them, so recommend you guys do the same because you can learn something. I'm fairly new to dashing. I've only been doing this for about 3-4 months. This guy been doing it for over a year. So if there's anything you can learn, you can learn some things from me, but something I'm going through, something I'm still learning. This guy, he been around for a while, so definitely check him out if you have not, and let's keep doing these dash alongs. So I'll get back when I get this completed. I'm going to who knows where. I'm trying to grab naps between the deliveries. I'm not really focusing right now on staying above $20 an hour. I'm focusing on getting enough of energy for tonight, and hopefully my headache will come down a little as I try to catch up with these sleeps. So get back to you guys when I complete it. So I completed that Myers order and picked up J. Render's Southern Table and Bar for $6.75. I think that actually first one today, the offer that I got that has a possibility of a tip in it. So going with it and let you guys know how it goes. And 725, I don't remember what it was. Probably was something like that. Actually, I believe 675 was that. Let's see. Oops. Yeah, 675 turned into 725, so 50 cents. 50 cents of hidden tip. So I got this Chipotle order, 2 orders, 7.6 mile, $12. 7.6 miles, still should be within 12.50. We'll see how it goes. Get back to you guys. Okay, got this Chipotle for $12. Working? Yeah. One was $5.50. The second one was $8.50. So the second one had a $2.50 hidden tip. All comes out to $14. Guys, I have to finish it today. That's it. Headache is not coming down, and blood pressure went up. So I guess you can only be strong and do and hit the goals and achieve the goals as your body permits. So I guess not for me today. Try to get up earlier, sleep, soak in some tub, and hopefully tomorrow we'll feel a lot better and be able to do the whole day. Today I'm $30 short, I guess about $30. So 50 at 5. So 5 would be, I should have been at 130 minus, let's say, an hour lunch. So 110. I am at 95. So $15 short for $29 an hour. So I'm definitely doing less than 20 today. It is what it is. Blessings to every single one of you, and talk to you guys tomorrow.